Hi guys, welcome to my channel Hunger Pangs with Simran. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a dish which looks super fancy. It will literally make you look like a pro baker, but in reality it is extremely easy to make it. And the name of this dish is Pull Apart Christmas Bread Bombs with the filling of some delicious cherry tomatoes, olive oil, some cheese and a lot of Italian herbs. So let's get started.
So the ingredients for the bread are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of castor sugar, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of milk powder, 180 ml of lukewarm water and 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil.
Alright, now let's begin by making the dough for the bread. In this bowl of flour, we add in all the dry ingredients other than salt. So here goes in the yeast, sugar, milk powder and baking powder. Give all of this a quick mix using a whisk. You could also use a stand mixer or a dough mixer to make this bread. And then add in some water, leave some for later. Use a whisk to first roughly bring everything together. Then add in rest of the water and move on to kneading this with your hands. So friends, the reason why I haven't added the salt in this yet is because the salt will not let the yeast get activated and that will result in a dense, hard dough. I had used up all the water earlier, which was 180 ml, but my dough needs just some more water, so I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon more. You can see how it has changed the texture of the dough. We need the dough to be well hydrated. It shouldn't be dehydrated, which means it should have enough water. And now I'm going to add in the salt. All of it at once along with the olive oil. I'm not going to add in all the oil now. Leave some for later because we'll need it further while kneading the dough. So friends, you may initially feel like it's too sticky, but keep kneading it this way and eventually it will all come together. I'm also using a scraper here to help me gather all the dough together whenever needed. And now you can see how well this dough has come together. I had to knead it for a good 12 to 15 minutes. Now let's roll it into a smooth ball and also do a quick window pane test. There you go, the window pane looks fantastic. Now I'm just going to place this in a large bowl which has been brushed with some olive oil. Make sure it's a large enough bowl because the dough will now proof and double in size, so it needs enough room for that. Brush some olive oil on top of the dough and then cover it up and leave it aside until it doubles in size. This should take around 30 to 35 minutes. In the meantime, let's get started with this crazily delicious filling. For that we need 250 grams of sliced cherry tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of basil powder, a pinch of sugar and 2 teaspoons of Italian herbs. We would also need some grated mozzarella cheese as well as some grated processed cheese later for the filling of the bombs. In a pan, add in 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now the base of this filling is olive oil, so please be generous with it, and then add in 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Keep the heat on medium-high. This entire filling is to be cooked on medium-high flame. Cook the garlic until they turn slightly brown in color. This should take you around 3-4 minutes. And then add in all these beautiful cherry tomatoes in that. Cook this on medium to high heat. So you can see the tomatoes have started oozing out their water, and we need to let this cook until all the water dries up. Another ingredient which I would highly recommend for you to add in this would be some basil leaves. It really elevates the flavor of this. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it anywhere, so I'm going to use basil powder in place of it. So this is starting to dry up now, and we need to add in salt to this. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of it. You could add in salt according to your taste, along with just a pinch of regular sugar, 2 teaspoons of mixed Italian herbs, and 1 teaspoon of basil powder. Mix everything together. The aroma is going to be just mind-blowing. It's really just divine. Always taste the salt and seasoning. It's perfect. And now just switch off the heat and leave this aside to cool down. Now let's go back to the dough. Just see how well it has doubled in size. It looks very nice. Now just puncture out all the air using the tip of your fingers. It's super soft and light. Roll it out into a log this way. Next, roughly divide this log into rough balls of 30 grams each. Now before we start filling these bombs, we need to place a parchment paper on our baking tray and brush it with some olive oil so that the dough doesn't get stuck to it. Okay, that's done. Here on the surface, dust some flour. Take one ball, flatten it out from the sides. Make sure to keep the center thick. Add in some of the filling. I'm just adding in 1 teaspoon, some mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Pinch and bring all the sides together towards the center. Make sure you don't overfill it, or else it will become too difficult for you to handle it. Now seal it using your fingertips this way. Do this with all the divided dough balls. So this is how we need to assemble these bombs in the shape of a Christmas tree. It's very easy. Brush some olive oil on each bomb and then let it proof for 20 minutes in a slightly warm place. And now we also have to set our ovens to preheat at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. They look so good. They are very well proofed. I had placed them on top of the oven while it was preheating, and so they have doubled in size. And now let's pop them into the oven for 30 minutes until they start turning brown. Then take them out, brush the remaining tomato filling along with the mozzarella cheese on top of this tree. It looks so Christmassy. Now pop this back into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes until they are properly browned. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did like it, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also hit the bell icon. See you next time.